Hello and good morning to all of you. As you can see, my friends, right now we are standing on the bank of river Yamuna. Uh, the weather of Delhi is really very conducive for our study purpose. That's why we came here today. As you can see, the bikes and bicycles are also there. But what we saw today here, there is a plant which I want to introduce to you, and this plant comes under the virgin vegetation. Virgin vegetation means the vegetation which doesn't require any human help to grow. This plant is known as Madaar, and this grows naturally. It can be found almost in every corner of our country, but it can found in abundance, especially on the places those are located, you can say, close to any river, or where the rainfall amount of the rainfall is pretty good. This Madar plant, you should know one thing about it, that as we know that the nature gives something to everyone so that they could preserve against the odds. As far as this Madar plant is concerned, so this plant is poisonous in nature, and because it is poisonous in nature, as a result, the animals or the cattle, they cannot graze upon this plant. So that's how the nature, which has gifted the quality of the poison within this plant, this poison protects the plants from grazing by the animals. Despite of the fact that it is poisonous, it has amazing medicinal benefits, and it can cure so many diseases within the human being. For instance, nowadays a very common disease that is called diabetes, and India, which is nowadays being known as the capital of diabetes. What is the use in order to cure the diabetes of this plant? If you are taking the leaves of this plant and placing this leaf of the plant under your, means where you wear the shoes, so before wearing the shoes you have to place the leaf under your feet and wear the shoes. And if you are repeating this exercise for a month or for a certain amount of time, believe me, the blood sugar level, it will automatically be balanced. So this is the quality, one of the qualities which is very helpful to cure the diabetes. Apart from this, one more quality of this Madar plant is that can cure the deafness of the human being. And this deafness, what we need to do, that we have to just take the leaf and squeeze the leaf, and after squeezing the leaf, whatever liquid you will get, you have to place that liquid into your ears, and believe me, you will see some amazing effects. So just to see what kind of medicinal benefits this plant has. The last medicinal benefit I want to tell you in connection to this Madar plant, and that is related to asthma. And you know, during asthma, people face lots of problem in breathing. So the patients of asthma, what they need to do, they need to take the seeds of this plant. You know, as you can see, the seeds are within the flowers of this Madar plant. So, and these seeds, you have to crush the seeds, convert the seeds into their powder form, and mix the rock salt, and whatever product you are getting, either you can directly eat that powder mixed with the rock salt, or you can add that powder into the hot boiled water, and if you keep on drinking this water for a certain amount of time, believe me, once again you will see some amazing effects and your asthma will be cured. So my friends, I just want to make you understand that the nature which has given the gift as a Madaar plant, uh, which is available in most of the places, but as we don't know its medicinal benefits, that's why we cannot take the advantage. That's why someone has rightly said that the gold can only be identified by a goldsmith. Namaskar.